dun. Teaser on the reformer, everyone's arch nemesis. Okay, one, if you cannot nail teaser on the mat, teaser on the mat, you're not gonna be able to do it on the reformer, because teaser on the mat teaches you how to properly roll up by deepening your abs and pushing your low back into the mat to help engage your core to come forward. If you cannot get it on the mat, the reformer is going to be a lot harder because of the fact that the reformer moves, okay? So practice on the mat, we'll go over that in a second. Okay, so you are going to lie on your box about a hand's distance from the front of the box. Your armpit should be in line with the corners of your box. Grab your handles. Usually you come from backstroke, so your handles are already in your hands. Okay, your head should be hanging off the box. Now, there's a few ways of doing this. Kind of the beginner's and intermediate way is bending your knees into your chest first, curling your chin to your chest, watch my low back. You're going to roll up, push your low back into the mat, and come up into teaser, okay? Have them bend their knees, and then lower. Remember, we push out to lower down with control. The more advanced way of doing it is keeping your feet straight over the foot bar. So, I'm not sure if this is how like class, Nahar taught me this cue, and I love this one. So, what she has us do is our arms are down by our side, put a little tension in the straps, curl your chin to your chest, lift your abs, hover your feet first. Now, act like you're digging through dirt with your hands. You have to put tension on the straps, so act like your hands are in mud, roll it up into your teaser. Hold, just practice the hold until you get it. Now, to roll down, you push out through the straps as you roll down, slow, and control. The hardest part of teaser is the roll up. People get stuck here, right? And it's because you're not using your core. So you have to think roll up on the mat gives you the roll up on teaser. So you have to think of really sinking your abs into the mat and connecting your low back to the mat, because you kind of push through your low back to get it up. So here, see how connected I am? Now push into the mat even harder with your low back. And then lower with control. Now, if you can't do that, it's okay. It's not wrong, it's just where your body is at. Meet your body where it's at. Don't try to go too forward because you want to look fucking cool in class. Because I can tell you 95% of the time the people in class aren't actually using their core to roll up, they're using the momentum of the carriage. Not a wrong thing, but that's not what Pilates is about. Pilates is about connection, not choreography. So think of really sinking your low back into the mat and pushing through your low back to engage your abs to roll up through your core.